You get paid. You pay your bills. You buy groceries. You put gas in your car. And then, suddenly, the money's gone. You look at your bank account and think, where did it all go? This happens every single month. You're not overspending on crazy things. You're not living beyond your means. But somehow, your money just ... disappears. Here's the truth. You're not bad with money. You just need a system that takes 5 minutes to set up and runs automatically forever. Today, I'm showing you exactly what that system is and how to implement it before your next paycheck. If you want simple, practical tips like this, tips that actually work for real people, hit that like button and subscribe to Liberty Money. We drop new videos every single day to help you get out of the money struggle and start building real wealth. Let's go. Step 1. Set up 3 accounts in 5 minutes, the foundation here. The 5-minute fix that stops money from disappearing. Set up 3 separate bank accounts right now. Account 1, your bills account. Account 2, your spending account. Account 3, your savings account. Most banks let you open multiple accounts online in minutes, completely free. Why 3 accounts? Because when all your money sits in one checking account, it's invisible. You can't tell what's for bills, what's for spending, and what's for saving. Everything blends together, and that's why money disappears. This is personal finance management at its simplest. This is budgeting for beginners. That's visual, not theoretical. When you separate your money physically into different accounts, you create boundaries. Your bills money can't accidentally get spent on coffee. Your savings money can't get raided for a night out. This is financial literacy that uses psychology, not willpower. This is money management that works with your brain. When you can see exactly how much is in your spending account, you know your real limit. This is financial planning that's immediate and effective. 5 minutes to set up 3 accounts. That's all it takes to stop money from disappearing mysteriously. Could you open 3 accounts right now? Most banks have apps. It takes literally 5 minutes. Do it before you finish this video. Step 2. Calculate your 3 numbers, know your split. Once you have 3 accounts, you need 3 numbers. Number 1. Your bills total. Add up all your fixed monthly expenses, rent, utilities, car payment, insurance, minimum debt payments. Let's say that's $1,800 per month. Number 2. Your savings amount. Start with 10% of your income. If you make $3,000 per month, that's $300. Number 3. Your spending money. That's everything left after bills and savings. In this example, it's $900. Here's why this matters for personal budget clarity. Right, when you know these 3 numbers, you know exactly where every dollar goes. Okay, this is financial education that's practical, not abstract. This is budgeting that creates clarity instantly. Most people have no idea how much they actually need for bills versus how much they can spend freely. This is saving money by preventing overspending on bills and underspending on savings. This is debt management that protects bill payments from being accidentally spent. This is money management that removes confusion. Calculate your 3 numbers right now. Bills total. Savings percentage. Spending remainder. Write them down. These numbers run your entire financial life. Do you know your bills total off the top of your head? If not, pause right now and add them up. You can't create a budget without knowing this number. Step 3. Automate the split, set it, and forget it. Here's where the magic happens. The day after you get paid, set up automatic transfers to move money into your 3 accounts, based on your 3 numbers. If you get paid $3,000, set up an automatic transfer of $1,800 to your bills account, $300 to your savings account, and leave $900 in your spending account. This happens automatically every payday without you thinking about it. This is financial planning on autopilot. This is personal finance management that removes human error. When I did this, everything changed. My bills were always covered because the money was sitting in a separate account, untouchable. My savings grew every month because the money moved before I could spend it. And I always knew exactly how much I could spend because my spending account showed my real limit. This is budgeting for beginners that's effortless once it's set up. This is money management that runs in the background while you live your life. This is financial literacy that says, the best financial decisions are the ones you only make once. Set it up, automate it. Forget about it. Could you set up these automatic transfers right now? Open your banking app. Go to Transfers, set them up for the day after your next payday. 5 minutes. Step 4. Use only your spending account, the hard rule, once your money is split into 3 accounts. Here's the rule that makes this work. You only spend from your spending account. Your bills account. Off limits until bills are due. Your savings account. It's completely untouchable, unless it's a genuine emergency. Your spending account is the only money you're allowed to use for daily life groceries. Gas, coffee, eating out, entertainment. This is where personal budget discipline kicks in. This is money management that's visual and clear. When your spending account hits $50 and payday is still 5 days away, you know you need to slow down. You can't accidentally overspend and miss rent, because rent money's in a different account. This is financial education that prevents disasters. This is debt management that keeps debt payments sacred. This is saving money by making savings invisible and inaccessible. When you can only see your spending account balance, you're forced to live within that limit. This is budgeting that uses artificial scarcity to prevent overspending. The money still exists, it's just not available for spending. Can you commit to this rule? Bills account equals bills only. Savings account equals untouchable. Spending account equals everything else. Can you follow that? Step 5. Adjust after 1 month, fine-tune the system. After you run this system for 1 month, check your numbers. Did you run out of spending money too fast? Maybe you need to allocate more to spending and less to savings temporarily. Did you have money left over in your bills account? Maybe your bills estimate was too high. Did you never touch your spending account? Maybe you can increase your savings percentage. This is personal finance management that's flexible. This is financial planning that adapts to reality. The first month is always a learning month. You're discovering your real spending patterns. This is budgeting for beginners that evolves into personalized money management. This is financial literacy that says, perfect numbers matter less than consistent behavior. After 1 month, adjust. After 2 months, adjust again. By month 3, your numbers will be dialed in perfectly. This is saving money that's realistic, not aspirational. This is debt management that accounts for real life. This is money management that grows with you. The system works, even if your numbers aren't perfect on day 1. Can you commit to 1 month? Just 30 days to test this system, and adjust as needed. That's all it takes to see if it works for you. Step 6. Build this into your emergency fund. Level up. Once you've been running this system for 3 months, and your numbers are dialed in, here's the next level. Build your savings account into a real emergency fund. In for $1,000 first, then $2,000, then 3 months of expenses. Since your savings account is automatically filling every paycheck, this happens without effort. Right. That $300 per month becomes $900 in 3 months, $1,800 in 6 months, $3,600 in a year. This is financial education that creates real security. This is personal budget progression that builds wealth automatically. This is money management that transforms your life without you thinking about it constantly. When I did this, within 1 year, I had $3,600 in savings, the most I'd ever had in my life. I didn't feel deprived. I didn't struggle. The money just grew because the system was running automatically. This is saving money that's inevitable, not hopeful. This is budgeting that builds an emergency fund as a side effect. This is financial literacy that understands small, consistent actions create massive results over time. 5 minutes to set up. It's automatic forever. Money stops disappearing, and savings start growing. Can you imagine having $1,000, $2,000, or $3,600 saved in 1 year just from this automatic system? That's what happens when money stops disappearing. Here's the bottom line. Your money disappears every month because it's all sitting in one account with no boundaries. You need 3 accounts: bills, savings, spending. You need 3 numbers: how much for bills, how much for savings, how much for spending. You need automation, transfers that run every payday without you thinking. And you need 1 rule: only spend from your spending account. This takes 5 minutes to set up. Then it runs forever. Your bills get paid. Your savings grow. Your spending stays under control. Money stops disappearing, and your life gets easier. Set this up today. Not next week. Not next month. Today. Before your next paycheck hits. Tell me in the comments, are you going to set up the 3-account system before your next paycheck? And if you've already tried something like this, how did it work for you? Let's help each other stay accountable. And if this 5-minute fix finally solved your disappearing money problem, hit like and subscribe to Liberty Money. We're dropping new content every single day to help you stop financial stress, build financial literacy, and build real wealth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.